All right, friends, welcome to another Toyota 4Runner how-to video. This one's going to be pretty simple today. We're going to be actually replacing the windshield wiper fluid for our Toyota 4Runner. And, this is going to save you probably between 10 and 20 bucks if you have your local shop do this for you. So I picked up this bottle of winter formula for here in Colorado. And it's like $2 at Walmart. So basically we're going to use this to top off our wiper fluid. Let me show you how to do that, starting with popping the hood. Okay, so for this particular Toyota 4Runner, it's a 2003 model. This will work between years 2003 to 2009. Hood release is going to be right down here next to your gas release. And the beige button there, I'm just going to pull that and you can hear the hood pop right open. Now your hood release is also going to be underneath here. There's a little tab that you're going to have to push in right to the right of your emblem. You push that up and the hood will actually come right up. I'm going to show you that little tab thing. That's basically what you're going to push up to get in here underneath your hood. Okay, for the wiper washer fluid for a 2003 through 2009 Toyota 4Runner, you're going to find it right over here on the left side of your underneath your hood here. And you can see it basically has that little symbol that's here, windshield, with the washer fluid kind of coming out there. And basically all we need to do is pop open that cap. Pretty simple. You can look down in there and you can see that we can't really see any washer fluid at this point, so we're going to need to fill up a little bit more here. Now, if you have a real steady hand, you can get away with just pouring the washer fluid directly in there, but I highly recommend having a funnel. And basically what you can do is, if you have a funnel kind of like this, I'll put a link, you can get one on Amazon if you'd like in the description box below. But this can kind of sit up like this and you can kind of feel it. Or if you like, if the end of your funnel is a little bit thick, kind of like that one, what I'm going to do is actually just come in here and you can lift this whole assembly piece just right out. And this now will slide right down in and allow you to fill up your fluid. With our funnel in, we can now take our washer fluid and go ahead and pour it on in there. And you really don't want to overfill this. I'm going to just top mine off right there. I can kind of hear it filling up and you can see the level coming up down right there. You really don't want to fill it up more than about, this line down in here. So yeah, there you go. That's a really simple way to fill your washer fluid, save you a few bucks from the dealership or from a repair shop. I hope that helps, folks. Stay tuned. We're going to have more tutorials coming up real soon.